Yo, finally. At long last, man. Ooh. Yes. Okay. I'm not gonna even lie. These have definitely gotta be my favorite Air Jordan 3s. Honestly, hands down, my favorite, personally my favorite for 2021. These are fire. Oh, let's check them out. Let's check them out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nefra. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review, and the sneaker that we are going to be taking a look at is the Air Jordan 3 Pine Green. And oh, I'm so excited to be showing this to you guys because I don't know if you remember, but I went to SneakerCon not too long ago, and I did go ahead, and when I was down there was a booth that was carrying an early pair of these, and when I saw them, the only words that I could say was must. A absolute must-have. If you know, I actually went ahead and I kept you guys updated on the community post. I was able to go ahead and hit on these through Nike sneakers, and I am just excited. Threes are my favorite silhouette, and with threes being my favorite silhouette, this was a sneaker I needed, especially with the color being green and green being my favorite color. So these were an absolute must. So with all that said, let's dive into it. However, before we even go straight into these beautiful pine greens, the first thing I'll let you guys know is I thank you guys so much for the love and support that you show the channel. As you know, we have now hit the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, and the new milestone that I am setting for myself and the channel is 2,000 subscribers. So let's push as hard as we can to actually get to that goal. Also, if you don't know, I did go ahead and post a video last Monday talking about the giveaway, and the giveaway winners were selected last night. So big, humongous shout out to them. I will go ahead and actually right now, like a few minutes ago, I dropped off their delivery, so they should be coming to your house. I will keep you guys updated as much as I possibly can, but thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Thank you for all the participants that also participated in this giveaway. I couldn't have done it without you guys, seriously. Like, this was a really, really cool giveaway. Like, some of you guys that did win, I did go ahead and like I saw like your guys' feedback, and it was crazy. You guys are really sweet and kind people, so I really do appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. So without further ado, because I cannot contain this excitement so much, I've been waiting for these threes for a long time. Let's get straight into it. But first, as you know, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing, and I like to do it with matching headband. So because the product color is green, I'm gonna go ahead and get this green headband on, and let's get it right now. Let's go. All right, boom, boom, boom. I had to do it 3 times because we're reviewing some threes, so you know. All right, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Let's go ahead and get my knife right here. Actually, I'm gonna be real with you. Yeah, I do need a knife. Let's go ahead and cut up on this box, and man, I am excited for these threes. I really am. Like, out of all the shoes that I dropped this year, I mean, don't get me wrong, I can't say like these are the greatest shoes that I've gotten this year, but in terms of Air Jordan 3, like, I like simple stuff, okay? Like, you know, limited collabs and all that, they're fun to me, they're cool to me, but I just like my regular generic shoes, honestly. So getting these in hand were so oh, yes, look at the box, look at the packaging. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the box for you guys right here. Let's go ahead and get this box out of here. Thank you, box. And without further ado, we are greeted with the Air Jordan 3 Pine Green box. As you can tell, these are crazy. I like these. I like the production on these. It's very, the packaging is great for these. The packaging is great. I remember when I first saw official images, I was like, these are a must. So as you know, green is my favorite color, so I had to cop these. So I'm gonna go ahead and read you guys the size tag first. So size tag does read Air Jordan 3 Pine Green Silver White. I did go ahead and get a 10.5. For sizing, and when it comes to Air Jordan 3, I recommend going true to size. However, if you want kind of like a snugger fit, go a half size down. That's kind of what I did. Retail price is $190, and then the SKU code, The SKU code is CT8532030. Let me go ahead and show you guys that right there. Bada bing, bada boom, and oof. Oh my God, let's get it. Dude, can we just take a look at the packaging though? Like, dude, As you know, you have like your cement. These look exactly like, if you don't remember, they came out a while back, the Air Jordan 3 Unites that did come out a while ago. These look so good. It's not even true. You got the white Jumpman right there. All right, so let's go ahead and lift the box together. Let's go ahead and lift the tab. 3, 2, 1, boom. As you know, you do get your cement papering right there, all white. Oh, yes. Oh, these are nice. I can already tell these are gonna be nice. Let's take a look back right now. 3, 2, 1. Want you guys to be in frame. And they look just how they look when I went to SneakerCon. Oh man. And here we go right here. This is the left, right. Oh, these are sick. Yeah, I needed these. Look at the suede on them. Here's the right pair. Let me go ahead and actually take out the right as well. And then we will go and dive into it. Hold on. All right, so bada bing, bada boom. Here they go right there, the Air Jordan 3 Pine Green. Oh, Lord have mercy. These are so nice. The best 3s hands down. I don't care what nobody says. I promise you, I'm making the statement. The best 3 that has come out for 2021. I absolutely love these to the core. Beautiful quality on them. I love the back. I love the front. Just, oh, everything is fire on them. They attract dirt really fast, I can tell. Okay, but let's look at the, what's better for you guys? Let's look at the, let's look at the left actually. So starting with the left, as you can tell, you do have a regular 3-toned outsole. You do have your green, you do have your Jordan, and then you do have white right there. And it is gray at the bottom as well. Looking at the midsole, you do have the gray, which kind of comes up a little bit. You have white, then you hit with your Air unit right there. Oh, look at the panel. Oh, look at the green midsole. Look at the green midsole. I know y'all see that. Look at the green midsole. You do have your cement right there. Oh my God, these are nice. These are really nice. Looking at the back, you do have, it has in text, you have your Air, and then you do have your Jumpman right there. I think this would look really better, so much better if this was green. Oh, if this was green, this would have really made the shoe, but still, I still like it. Going up to the sock liner right there, it is your pine green, very nice. The material feels really good as well. Looking at your suede right here, I'm just actually get close. I want you guys to really see that. Look at the suede, these mark up. These get dirty, I feel, really quick, but look at the suede on it. Really nice. Looking at the front, you do have your pine green Jumpman right there on the tongue area. You have black laces right there. Look at the accents. Look at the pine green accents. These are nice. You got your pine green accents right there. Let me go ahead and give you kind of like a 360-ish of the shoe. I had a friend of mine too, who before these released, he was able to go ahead and get exclusive access, and he showed me these, and I was like, dude, I need them. I need them. 3s are my favorite silhouette of all time, and when it comes to Jordans, and so these were a must. Comment down below, let me know what you think about. Let me go ahead and actually take out the shoe tree just for, if like, you know, for those that do care, shoe tree does have 10, 10.5, and then you do, I don't even know if the camera can really pick that up. Come on, camera. There we go right there, 10, 10.5, then you do got your Jumpman right there. Looking inside of the shoe tree, I want the camera to pick it up. Oh, that's perfect. You can see it does have a pine green insole, and then you do have your white Jumpman right there. Looking in the tongue right there, you can see your sizing. I did get a 10.5 right there, and then the tongue right here is green. These are phenomenal. I don't care. These are phenomenal. I told myself by any means necessary, even if I had to pay resale, I would actually get these. I like them. I lie. I like them a lot. Let me go ahead and get you the other right there. Dude, these are just... Comment down below, let me know what you think. Comment down below. Please let me know what you think. Would you say that these are the Air Jordan 3 of the year? Honestly, be real. Be real. When you first saw these, did you like them a lot? Did your energy change? Did your opinion change? Because I know some people, they were like, oh, I don't want to go for them, but I know when you saw them in hand, you were like, oh, I know you were. So comment down below and let me know how you think about these Air Jordan 3 Pine Greens. These are amazing. Nike, thank you for allowing me to go ahead and hit on these. I appreciate it for real. And I love the fact that on Nike sneakers, when these did release on Nike sneakers, they were not a draw. If I'm not mistaken, they were not a draw. They was just a regular, I don't know which one it is a Leo. I think it's the one like it was a regular draw. All you had to do was just go in there, hit it, and once you hit it, like literally it was just like right then. Like these went through really quick. These went through really quick. So comment down below, let me know what you feel about the Air Jordan 3 Pine Green. I absolutely love these. I really, really do. These are amazing to me. These are amazing to me. So guys, this is going to go ahead and conclude today's video over the Air Jordan 3 Pine Green. Like I said, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you feel about this. Let me know what your opinions are. You know, I cannot wait to get these on feet right now for you. I also went ahead and I'm gonna go ahead real quick before I go to the on feet. I'm gonna give you guys an overlook right now. So take a look at them. And oh man, these Air Jordan 3s are really nice. Like I didn't think when I saw them at SneakerCon, I knew I was gonna want them. But like even having them in hand now, like the quality is even so crazy. I love these a lot. Look at the back, look at the front, look at the green accents on the lace holes right there. They're just so nice. And I think Jordan Brand, when any Air Jordan 3 I absolutely love, and that's why these are just my favorite silhouette of all time. Really, they're just so nice. So like I said, comment down below and please let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 3 Pine Green right now. So guys, this is gonna go ahead and conclude today's video over the Air Jordan 3 Pine Green. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review right now. Comment down below for real. Let me know how you feel about these. These are absolutely insane. These are absolutely insane. I have a lot more videos coming for you guys on the channel. I think I recently just went ahead and got some Yeezy 500s. Those are on the way. I haven't had those in a minute. I have some update changes as far as like what's going on the channel coming. A lot is coming, and seriously, I just cannot thank you guys enough for the love and support that you show. We just hit 1K, and I cannot be thankful for you guys, seriously. The goal is 2,000, and I know we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. This is how we did 1K. We're gonna do it. Thank you everybody again for participating in the giveaway. More will be on the way in the later future when we do hit bigger milestones, but I just wanted to do it and give back to you guys because you guys do mean so much to me. So until then, remember, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. This is the review of the Air Jordan 3. Always remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. So please be the best you, please. Until next time, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Gems with the heat.